What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm starting off today's vlog with a little bit of bad news. For some reason, my windshield wipers don't work anymore. So that's not good. But just a minute ago, I went to try to clean my windshield and unfortunately, I guess I'm gonna have to clean it by hand. Luckily, the rain seems to have ceased for a little bit, so that'll give me a little bit of time to figure out what's going on. But yeah, that sucks. Come on, Tein, what the heck, why? But anyways guys, today I'm headed back over to my buddy Tyler's house because he's got some new coilovers for his Widebody BRZ, so I'm gonna help him put them on there. So I'll see you guys in just a second. We're gonna be installing some chips on the BRZ today.
Everybody knows chips are better when they're mixed with grease and oil.
Yes. Bro, let's crack these puppies open. You gotta do the honors. It's your mod. Right, Bentley? You know, we used to call your house the Newkirk compound.
The Newkirk compound?
Yeah.
Because we have slaves or what?
No, just... Well, maybe...
Oh, the other reason?
What the heck?
Heck yeah.
Oh, dude, we gotta get a thumbnail. Yes. That's gonna be it.
Alright. They look pretty.
Alright guys, so we're taking all the safety precautions, but we've got the BRZ up on the jack stands. Got Tyler hard at work over there. We're gonna get the coilovers on this car, and then I'll catch up with you guys after the install. You ready, Tyler?
Yeah!
Alright, so a little bit of a progress update for you guys. I got mine out just fine. Kind of difficult, but wasn't so bad. Tyler, on the other hand, he's got a stripped out bolt on this guy on the sway bar link, so that's kind of sucky. He's filling that void with chips though.
I'm stretch eating.
I'm gonna keep plugging away. So basically, to get these shocks out, there's just 2 bolts on the inside of the trunk that hold the top of it up. And then you have to disconnect the lower control arm on the back. So there's 3 bolts. There's a hole there, that hole, and then the one that goes up to the subframe. So I'm just gonna repeat that process on this side. Alright, so the previous owner of this car totally screwed up one of these bolts here. Let's see if you can see that. That bolt right on the end of there. Did you rip the wrench off? I just got it on there.
Yeah, it just wiggled right off.
Anyway,
I think
the previous owner definitely messed that up, so we're doing our best trying to get that off. But this is the last strut, so once we get this one out, coilovers will be going on.
You can see it like coming off. Oop. I'm just gonna ruin this bolt.
Bruh, are you trying to pull it down?
I'm trying.
Cause that's tightening it. Did you just shush me?
I think you're right. I think I was starting a good
Starting a good
shit.
Alright, well this one bolt is a complete disaster, so I'll just bring you guys back. I'll just bring you guys back once we get that bolt out. Alright, so we just got all the shocks out of the car. Here's what they look like. These ones are for the rear, and then the front ones are right over there. So now what we're gonna do is gonna get our coilovers, and we're gonna start just mocking them up in there. Obviously, once we get the coilovers in, we're gonna adjust the ride height to dial it in, so that way it fits with the wide body perfectly. That wasn't so bad, I don't think. There was only like one bolt that was really hard to get out, so.
Yeah, it was just these stupid things, and it's because someone put them in. like this.
Well, we're gonna time lapse again, and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright boys, so I just finished the rears. The sway bar in the car. The sway bar on the driver's side rear was kind of hard to get in, but I managed. I'll show you my work so you can make fun of me in the comments.
That's Liddy as a titty, baby. I think we're all good to go.
Yeah. Oh, you done with the fronts? I'm getting Christmas tree vibes from your your wheel wells.
Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. I'm coming in with my straight pipe BRZ.
One pair of pants later.
Alright, so I haven't picked up the camera in a hot sec, but it's time for the big reveal. Welcome back everybody to my bedroom. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun making it, and there's going to be a lot more Widebody BRZ content coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that because I'm super excited to be working with Tyler on that car. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and also follow Tyler's Instagram as well. He has a new car account if you want to see more about his different builds and things that he's got going on. Also in the news, I hosted a poll over on Instagram to see what you guys wanted me to name the little vape thing. The options were Ricky and Ethan because those were the ones that were suggested, and Ricky won by like a huge margin, which seems kind of weird to me because I thought that Ethan would have won. But you know, you guys have spoken, so this is Ricky, and he's gonna be over here just chilling. If you want to participate in those little things that I'm hosting every now and then, be sure to follow me on Instagram because that's a good way to stay up to date. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, be sure to leave a like down below. Also consider subscribing. Browse the channel for more of my content if you're stuck in quarantine and you're bored. And as always, peace out and dream big.